Hi guys, today I want to show you a really awesome cloud software tool I use to make renovation or even presentation projects for some of my clients. That is far better and easier to use, in my opinion, than the one used by the actual professional architects like Autocad or Archicad. This tool is called Floorplanner and is the best for those do-it-yourself projects. Um, and I want to start by showing you why I think it is much better. Now, this is my dashboard, and as you can see, you have a layout of all my projects, and we'll just enter some of just one of them to show you some cool features. And first of all, just based on your free online account for this cloud software, you don't need any lengthy installation process, uh, and you have all your projects available online. You just have to sign up for a free account. Um, Also, floor panel is very intuitive, as you can see, and you don't have to watch a lot of tutorials. You just start by drawing walls. Just let me show you with your desired dimensions. Uh, you see, there are some helpful guidelines. Uh, You can use also predefined measure sketch that you can upload it as a picture. Then you go and place doors from here, from the left side menu. Yeah. Then you go to, and sure enough, you can edit the dimensions of everything you have just put in, like walls or doors or windows. Right? Now, this is just to show you how intuitive and easy it is to work with this software. Um, so you can check your design instantly. Uh, Also in a 3D format as you play along. As you can see. Also all the furniture that you can put inside your drawings um, can be modified to their real dimensions so that you have a very precise design that resembles the real dimensions of the furnitures you want to order from your desired suppliers. One another big advantage of this software tool is that there is even a button on the bottom left side of home. Let me show you. So you go to home, and then you can actually download the product list that resembles into an Excel, and you will have the full PC. see, you have the full list of the products of everything used in your drawing, and you can create an based on this list you can create an exact purchase list that will be extremely helpful in assessing or staying on budget. So as you can see, this is the full list of the furniture types used and every element used in the drawing. Are there any downsides to using this soft? Yeah, there are a couple, but they far outweigh the benefits. Now, as a free account, you can only draw a single floor plan, so you have multiple floor plans. You need to get a premium one. The amount of projects you can do on a free account is capped to 5 projects maximum, and you can't work like on as a multiple data sheet with multiple guys on the same project. So I really hope you liked this review of this software tool. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for me to make another review. And see you in the next video.